Space is vast, it's filled with mystery. One of the most captivating mysteries is the black hole. Imagine a place where gravity is king, so strong, not even light can escape. These cosmic monsters are not empty spaces, but remnants of collapsed stars. Black holes challenge our understanding of the universe. They beckon us to explore the unknown. Think of the most extreme things in the universe. Black holes are right up there. They warp space and time. They challenge our understanding of physics. And yet, they are essential to the cosmic dance of life and death among the stars. Join me as we journey to these enigmatic objects. Let's explore the wonders that lie within their event horizons. Stars are like cosmic furnaces. They burn bright throughout their lives, but even stars don't live forever. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it can no longer hold itself up. Gravity takes over and the star collapses in on itself. This collapse creates a supernova, a massive explosion that can outshine an entire galaxy. If the star is massive enough, the core collapses even further. It collapses into an infinitely small point called a singularity. This singularity is where gravity becomes infinitely strong. It's the heart of a black hole. The birth of a black hole is a dramatic event. It marks the end of a star's life and the beginning of something extraordinary. Imagine a region in space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. This region is called the event horizon. It's the point of no return for anything that gets too close. Inside the event horizon lies the singularity. This is the heart of the black hole, where all matter is compressed into an infinitely small point. Surrounding many black holes is a swirling disk of gas and dust called the accretion disk. This disk is formed by material being pulled in by the black hole's gravity. As the material spirals inward, it heats up and emits intense radiation. This radiation is what we can detect from Earth, even though we can't see the black hole itself. Section 4. A universe of black holes. Exploring the variety. Black holes come in different sizes. Stellar mass black holes are the most common. They form when a single massive star collapses. Intermediate mass black holes are much rarer. They are thought to form from the merger of smaller black holes. And then there are the behemoths, the supermassive black holes. These giants lurk at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Supermassive black holes are truly awe-inspiring. They can have masses millions or even billions of times greater than the Sun. Their gravity is so strong that it affects the entire galaxy around them. The study of black holes helps us to understand the evolution of galaxies and the universe itself. Section 5. Into the Void. A journey beyond the horizon. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? As you approach the event horizon, time would slow down for you. You would appear to freeze in time from the perspective of an outside observer, but from your point of view, you would continue to fall inward. As you get closer to the singularity, you would experience spaghettification. The gravitational forces would become so extreme that they would stretch your body out into a long, thin strand. What happens inside the singularity is still a mystery. Some theories suggest that you might emerge into another universe or another part of our own universe. Others propose that you would simply be crushed out of existence. The truth is, we just don't know. Section 6. The Evaporation of Eternity. Black holes' demise. Black holes might seem invincible, but even they have an expiration date. Stephen Hawking theorized that black holes aren't entirely black. They actually emit a faint radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon. This radiation, known as Hawking radiation, slowly drains energy from the black hole over vast cosmic timescales. As a black hole loses energy, it also loses mass. This process is incredibly slow. It would take a black hole with the mass of our sun trillions of years to completely evaporate. The evaporation of a black hole would be a spectacular event. It would release a tremendous amount of energy. But don't worry, the black holes we know of are all far too young to be evaporating anytime soon. Section 7. Unraveling the Enigma, the Enduring Allure. Black holes are some of the most fascinating and enigmatic objects in the universe. They challenge our understanding of physics and push the boundaries of our imagination. We are only beginning to scratch the surface of these cosmic mysteries. There is still so much we don't know about black holes. How do they form and evolve? What happens inside them? What role do they play in the evolution of galaxies? These questions will continue to intrigue and inspire scientists for generations to come. The study of black holes is a journey into the unknown. It is a journey that promises to unlock some of the deepest secrets of the cosmos.